Buka. Into ugqoke kanjani magqoke kanje?
Comfortable.
Ayingosikhotheni kodwa. Kodwa sonibekazelela ka because you are doing well. It's fine.
But why did you get fired from Ukhozi FM?
Because I was smart.
How?
Because I was a giant. Because I was the first broadcaster in overseas during the inauguration of Barack Obama, the first black president of the United States of America. Nobody have done that at SAPC level. Even yourself, you was there. You was praising me in your radio station. I just make history. Yeah. Come here, come.
First of all, I never worked for the SABC, but it's fine.
We never taught that by SAPC.
Eh.
SAPC has taught very well that the mic must be here, unless it is the Chinese mic.
Yeah. I don't. Do you guys feel like you answered that question? No. You didn't answer that question, Baba. You didn't answer that question, Baba.
I did. I did answer your question.
Which is?
Because you asked me how did I expelled from SAPC.
Yeah.
And I've told you because I was smart, because I was a genius, because I was the first presenter to broadcast overseas.
Yeah.
In the history of SAPC, not Ukuphendula FM.
But that's every reason to keep
on
you.
your letter of suspension and expulsion, that's what they said.
Come again?
On your letter of expulsion, that's what they said.
I would stand pain.
Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni. What happened?
Indaba bakuxoshile.
Kunjani?
Asiphingi ukuthi you were the first guy to broadcast abroad. Asiphingi. Kodwa isizathu sokuthi bakuxoshe bokuyini?
Malake, bafana bami. But I'm not happy about this mic that I can I can hear myself that.
No, siyakuzwa,
ngiyazwakala kodwa.
Siyakuzwa uyazwakala.
Oh, still here. Okay.
Uthi
So manje into eyenzekile
Yeah.
eyokuthi obvious in every territory when you are big and when you have a potential, they create all reasons to frustrate you.
My man, who's that? Hold
Yeah,
on.
that's Puphu.
Hold on. Hey.
Lalela la.
Who's that?
Umuntu ongahloniphila uzophuma. La kwaZulu kuyahlonishwa. Asibahlonipheni khona benje. Asibahlonipheni bafowethu. Benza umsebenzi wabo baqede. Ngiyacela ngane zakwethu so that can be historic, so we can enjoy all of us, ladies and gentlemen. Lo oyaluza obhedela umsamo lo omemezayo. Alokhu nje.
Yeah, you're saying, Baba.
Simple. They've created stories that don't make sense. Yabona. Yonke into babe ichaza lapha ayikho neyodwa yenza sense. That's why the first case ngixoxe SAPC ngawina wonke amacala. And then we decide ukuthi i-contract abazokuyivuselela. As you know that we remain freelancers. That's why namanje they still owe me more than 400,000 at SAPC. I still haven't received that money. That's how cruel they are. The former chairperson of the board, Ubaba Makatini, knows that.
Ghost lady.
Yeah,
do you know why he got fired? Do you still know after that answer?
I know. I'm still unclear.
You're still unclear?
I'm not. Yeah.
Tell Ghost lady, why Waxoshelwani?
Uthini?
Sifuna ukwazi why Waxoshelwani?
Why ngaxoshwa SABC?
Yeah.
No, kusimple. Bangikhandela istory. Esingayenzi isense.
But esithini?
Esithini story?
Esithini?
Story esithini?
Esithini?
Esithini isitori?
Manake.
Yeah.
Okay. Nganza kwethu. Kumnandi ngoba yonke into eyenzeka eSABC inama record akwi public kwi media kanye na kwi SABC itself. Yabona. Mangabe uxoshwa eSABC uyazi uMcG ukuthi
Angazi
Vele
mina,
kuthiwe.
angazi.
okay McG waxoshelwana neSABC
Sikhuluma ngawe.
wena waxoshelwana
Yena akasebenzanga e-SABC.
Inkinga uMcG akaze asebenze eSABC. Akaze asebenze eSABC. Usebenze ku-Highveld, usebenze ku-YFM as owner eSABC.
what
Akaze uMcG asebenze eSABC. YFM I own SABC. What is it? Highveld? I own a Prime Media.
947. Yeah.
Akaze. I own SABC 947.
msana ukuchaza kanti
Guys,
wena ula njengommeli kaMcG
Mina ngumuntu okhuluma iqiniso.
oh
Bengibona ukuthi lakuphunyukela.
guys,
awunalo awunalo kamnyama
clearly he doesn't want to answer. Should we move on?
Yeah,
ngiyakubona
let's move on.
Yes,
Let's move on.
Let's
Yeah, let's
move
move on. Let's move on.
All right, clearly he doesn't want to answer.
labafana kanti bangenzani labafana
Another question is, ask him about his Sangoma career. Why did he try so quick from being a Sangoma?